Realtors and real estate agents. The market has flipped upside down. We went from 2.5%, 3% rates, now approaching 7% with a lot of lending institutions. How has that affected your business? EquiFund Mortgage has a simple solution to reverse the curse of high interest rates, and we'd like to show you that. Agents, I have a quick question for you. How many more home buyers would you have in today's marketplace if instead of having interest rates at 6.25%, 6.5%, or even pushing 7%, they were at 5.25% to 5.5%? How many more clients would you have on your board today? Well, at EquiFundMortgage.com, we are able to deliver these interest rates. We use automation, proprietary automation, that identifies the lowest rate loan in the market matched to that borrower's profile. And because we use automation, there's no loan originator commissions. That's right. That's a savings passed back to the client where we're able to even offer a lower interest rate on top of finding the lowest rate. So on average, we are 1% lower. That means 5.25%, 5.5% versus 6.5% to 7%. On average, we've calculated on a $450,000 loan, that's about $45,000 to $50,000 more in purchasing power compared to an okay rate loan. It's a huge savings. It should create a comfortable entry point for your buyers to enter into the marketplace. How does our system work? Simple. A borrower goes to our site, they simply click apply, no credit pull is required. It automatically matches their income, their credit information they self-report to us to identify the lowest rate loan in the market. And because we're using automation, it instantly subtracts 1 whole percentage point off of that rate on average. So after that, if the client uploads all of their documents, it goes right to underwriting, processing in our disclosure team. Within 30 days or less, we close and fund that loan, no problem. Our processing center is matched directly to the lender, so the loan is processed within our lender's office. We manage and oversee everything. Since 1998, we have helped over 50,000 homeowners in the state of Florida, A+ rated Better Business Bureau, and Google reviewed 5 stars. I'm Jim Hammond, President and founder of EquiFund Mortgage. Please give us a call. Open up your book of business. I know you have matched relationships with other lenders, but what we're bringing to the marketplace is an opportunity for you to forge a new relationship that will better serve the interests of your clients and your profitability. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.